Never miss any video, and you are at the right place. Hello, nice going through my channel. Myself Jinjijo and I am just a student. It isn't funny. On this channel you will see weekly uploads about how-to tutorials, unboxing and review in English. And the main initiative of this channel is to bring all the audience without any age limit, where you can learn about informative and creative stuff revolving around you. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button down below because it is totally free. Wait. I'll be seeing you in my latest video. Till then, peace. Only on Creative Lab.